Okay, he's trying to film. He's trying to film.
It's okay.
It's okay. But they
Let
said,
sign where he doesn't get it.
that's right.
Okay.
See ya.
All right, welcome back, guys. You ever heard of NWA? Well, folks, this here is PWA, Police with Attitude. These guys are gangster. Every hood is their hood. They're part of a blue gang, even if they wear brown. Many of these thugs often violate people's rights, and these sovereign citizens often commit traffic infractions. They run stop signs, dangerously turn into streets and lanes without using a blinker, speed down roads without emergency lights, but most importantly, folks, they don't know the First Amendment. And they expect you to bow down to the laws of the land, but don't actually know what those laws are themselves. In this video by this newer channel called CC, these entitled servants act like children. They're disrespectful and didn't want to do their jobs until the man recording demanded that they do it. Go subscribe to this newer channel. We'll drop the links for you. Here we go, folks.
So you're saying you're refusing to give me that public record request?
You tell me what they told me there.
Okay. So you're refusing to give it to me? Very well. And what is your name and your badge number, sir? What's your name and badge number, sir?
Okay, he's trying to film. He's trying to film.
It's okay.
It's okay. But they
Let
said,
sign where he doesn't get it.
that's right.
Okay.
See ya.
And what's your name and badge number, sir?
Sergeant Jeff Davis.
Here's Sergeant Jeff Daniels. What's his? He's the one who refused. What's yours, sir?
I'm doing what I'm told to do. That's what I'm told to do. That's it.
I guess what I don't understand is why should the people follow the laws if the police officers don't? They don't follow policies. They're constantly violating people's rights. It makes absolutely no sense. So again, I ask, why should people follow the laws? Let me know.
Just like you said a while ago.
Is
you
it
do
in your
sign.
policy to let individuals know your badge number and your name as a public
Show
servant?
your ID. If you're showing your ID, you have it.
You want to see it? Show an ID.
No, thank you.
Okay.
It's a public record. I'm still asking for your name, sir.
Do you have a warrant or something? Is that why you don't want to share your name?
No, I'm asking for his name.
No, I'm asking, is that why you don't?
Not just a public record request. No, nobody has to give who's picking it up. What's his name? Can you tell me his name? Do you have or is he over you?
She just came out and identified you, said you had it. We were just told you had to show up.
Deprivation of rights under color of law. Title 18 U.S.C. Section 242 makes it a crime for a person acting under the color of any law to willfully deprive a person of a right or privilege protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States. These law enforcement agents inside this government installation were trying to deprive this man of his rights. It's about time we truly understand what that means, folks. Title 18, Section 242, deprivation of rights under color of law. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go subscribe to CC's channel. Let them know San Joaquin sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Peace.